Every Christmas I tell myself I'll be organised, but I still end up wrestling the tree and getting tangled in the lights. Luckily, there's one thing about Christmas that's totally unbeatable, and I can't wait to share it with you. Here's what you need to make these delicious festive biscuits. 250 grams of flour, 125 grams of butter, 125 grams of sugar, an egg, cinnamon sticks, and fresh ginger. Make sure you also get baking powder and vanilla sugar ready. Tip the sugar into a bowl and be sure to weigh it. You can always sprinkle in a little less if you like. Sometimes too much sweetness isn't always best. Once this is done, sift some flour into a big bowl. There's something really peaceful about this part of a recipe. It almost feels like gentle snowflakes falling onto your hand on a cold wintry night. Sifting the flour makes it soft, so your biscuits will even be tastier. Add the sugar, the baking powder, and vanilla extract to the mix. Put the butter into the pan and warm it gently. Now I know we're technically not supposed to melt it completely, but honestly, I find it makes the dough much easier to knead later on. These cinnamon sticks might look simple, but they're actually pretty amazing. They're made from bark that's been slowly dried and rolled up by hand. For this recipe, I really recommend using whole sticks instead of pre-ground cinnamon. The flavour is just on another level. Carefully peel the fresh ginger, trying not to waste any. Give it a quick smell for no particular reason, and then grate it. It can be a little tricky, but trust me, it's really worth it. Add the cinnamon and ginger to the flour and sugar. Find your egg and crack it into the bowl. No stress if it breaks, we'll be kneading everything together soon anyway. Now add the butter to the whole mixture. Turn on your oven and set it to 200 degrees, or 180 if your oven has a fan. I really wish I had more fans, but anyway. Get your clean hands in there and start kneading until the dough comes together into a smooth ball. It might take a little while, but keep going. As you knead, you'll notice your hands actually start getting cleaner. That's how you know you're on the right track. Place the dough onto a wooden surface and use a rolling pin to flatten it. Just remember, the thicker the biscuits, the longer they'll need in the oven. You can even cut out the biscuits yourself or use biscuit cutters. I usually choose the second option, as I believe it would be difficult to bake stickmen biscuits. Place those beautiful shapes into a very festive oven-proof dish and throw them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Right now listen, recipes will lie to you. So will ovens. Do not leave the kitchen under any circumstances. Oh, I love this season. Not the rush, not the presents, not the teacher-parent evenings, but the memories we carry, the stories we keep, the way a simple recipe can make the world feel gentle for a moment, and we all know we need that right now. So wherever you are this Christmas, I hope you find a little pocket of joy. Always remember that a simple biscuit can warm your heart, even if it's just for an instant. So let's just close our eyes for a quick moment together, breathing the smells, and just say to ourselves, it's the most wonderful time of the year. Merry Christmas, everyone.